happy Wednesday. I'm so happy because Trevor woke up with me today. It's officially his first day and I just got a huge package. I have no idea what it is, but it's giant. Should we open it together? I have a feeling this is gonna be crazy. Like, actually look at this, it's huge. What could it be? It doesn't say who it's from, and that's always like, when a PR package doesn't say who it's from, it's usually probably a really good PR package because they don't want people to know, you know? Like, for instance, whenever I get designer PR packages, they never say who it's from. So, like, you don't know what the contents are of the package. Oh my god, this is like a big... Yo! Kristen S, bro. I've actually been literally loving their shampoo and conditioner. Let's fucking go, bro. That's a big ass ball.
Holy shit.
This thing's heavy too. There's gonna be lots of shit in here, but let's open it together. Voila! What's in it? Tell me. Oh my god. What the fuck is that, bro? Bro, what? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
Bro, what?
I'm never getting rid of that. Hold on.
Yo, wait, it pulls out. There's another layer.
Dude, this is the shampoo I've been using. There's a fucking nether layer. What? What is this, a little hair towel or something? What's this? Just a pouch? It's like the coolest box ever. I'm totally keeping that shit, bro. Dude, WPR package. They sent me their peptide restore line, which I'm obsessed with. I ran through all of my samples. Like, you don't even know. This is really cool. Oh my god. Kristen S, if you're watching this, love you guys. Shout out you. W way to start the stream. I mean, the stream. The fuck? Am I a streamer now? What a cool package!
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna make coffee now. Okay, hi vlog. I don't know the last time I filmed, but I decided just to take a shower. I just wanted to feel clean. And now I'm actually gonna film for the day. I think I'm just gonna film like full face of first impressions or just like trying out new makeup. But either way, I'm gonna film that. I'm just doing this little nose pore strip, but it says it's gonna take 15 minutes and I didn't think about that because I'm kind of ready to film like now. I had leftovers today for breakfast from last night and they just like didn't like make me that full. So I'm kind of really hungry, but we don't have any other groceries besides dinner stuff. So looks like I'm running on coffee and a dream, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little makeup today and I'll definitely show you guys how it turns out. I'm gonna do a little filming because I haven't in so long. I'm trying to debate if I should do a transition. Maybe I should. Okay, I'm gonna film that. Okay, hi guys. I just got done with my glam. I'm obsessed with it. Do you see this? Like, I actually feel so pretty in this. I don't know. It's been a while since I've done like a natural glam and I'm really happy with this. You guys, I used pretty much all new products. Like, I had to use my foundation and concealer and setting powder because I didn't have any of those for the video. But besides that, like, everything looks really good. Down to even skin prep. I used all new skin prep and I'm probably going to continue using them. Honorable mentions, okay? Ahoy Miracle Toning Glow Serum. This shit is insane. That's all I can say. This Clinique little Moisture Surge Lip Hydro Plump. This was a little sleeper. Honestly, this was a little sleeper because I put this on and it kind of reminded me of like something you'd find in your mom's like old purses, like a little lip balm that's been there for like 7 years and you just put it on. But it kept my lips moisturized the entire time I did my makeup and that's pretty rare. That's pretty rare. And actually, they were really, really moisturized. So I like that a lot. To follow up with that, also the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer. I'm obsessed. Wow. I don't know why I haven't tried this earlier. I feel like maybe I have in the very long past, but like it's been so long that I genuinely don't remember. Yeah, love, absolutely love. And then also one other mention, this setting spray, I feel like it's also so slept on. It's from The Balm and it's called the Twice as Nice Priming and Setting Spray. This smells amazing and the spray is crazy. Like, look at this. I mean, my makeup is obviously lasting right now because I just did it, but I don't know how long this like works to set your makeup necessarily, but I'm very happy with it. I can't lie. I'm loving the makeup look. Hope you guys are too. Now it's 3 o'clock. I need to go take chicken out to defrost for dinner because I'm already hungry. I'm hungry like now, so I have to wait like an hour and a half. Anyway, let's go see what Trevor's doing. What are you doing?
Editing a YouTube video right now.
Okay.
You look pretty.
Do you think so? Do you like my makeup?
Yeah.
My self-employed boyfriend, husband, Dave, baby daddy. Okay, I'm making Trevor and I a little lunch, making wraps with the leftover sandwich stuff I have, and I'm just gonna put this Greek dressing over the top. It's like oil and vinegar and herbs. And then there's your big boy. It is time to organize and clean my makeup desk. This is before. I will show the after this time because I'm cleaning it right now. Obviously, the first step, I have to put on my show because how can you clean without watching your little show? Supernatural for the win.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah. That too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
And just like that, my makeup desk is all clean. And I can't get over this freaking Pure package. This is so cool. Like, I'm gonna definitely use this for storage, but it's gotta like sit in its prime for a little bit before I do that. I'm also thinking of swapping out that pink one up there for this one because it would like match a little bit more. But the thing is like that's my memory box. And so I don't know if like I want my memories to be see-through, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I'm making dinner, making rice. That's my little doodad that I have set up. Chicken, and then I'm also making roasted broccoli. And yeah, for some reason I'm so tired. I was laying in bed before this, and as you can see, my eyes are watering so bad. That's probably why I'm tired, honestly, because my body thinks I cried. So my eyes are just watering. Now I'm gonna make dinner for Trevor and I, and yeah. Probably make a coffee because I do not want to go to sleep anytime soon. Okay, I got my flashlight out, but this is the dinner. It's a Thai barbecue, chicken, rice, broccoli, and then Dr. Pepper, coffee, water. I'm watching Trevor's stream, playing Fortnite with my sis. They can't hear you. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Trevor and I are gonna jump into this delicious bed. We just did some skincare.
Glowing queen.
He's glowing.
With my retainers.
And we love you guys.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.